This is another build, MSI Pro Gaming. Yes, it's a new board that we are replacing with an old board. As you can see over here, MSI Gaming board over here. We are replacing with it. So when I tell you to bring your requirement for us to build for you, we aren't joking at all. So as you can see here, this is the case and everything. So we are here building. That is the CPU in place on the CPU for you over here. So the board over here. So as you can see, we are putting it into the case. Ryzen 5. So that's the CPU fan. Yes, that's CPU fan. So it's fixing the fan to the board. So now the fan has been fixed to the board, as you can see here. So we are now fixing the RAMs. We are done with everything behind, covering the back plate. So keep your orders coming. We are still working. So now the board is fixed. We are closing the back plate, as you can see right here. So please, just don't mind our safety manners. This one does not aim. Yes. So we are here to put in there, because what you can see, everything, the power, everything has been fixed. Board, this is the graphics card. yet to be fetched. So I'm supplying power to of course. Okay, so as you can see, we are here to test it for you to see that it's working. Okay.